it's worth it na mag-aral pa talaga. Just like right now, I've been working for like say 20 plus years now. And then I'm currently enrolled on again on a diploma course in one of the universities. Even though experienced na ako sa ginagawa ko, so I've been doing this for 20 plus years, meron pa rin tayong matututunan na minsan akala natin alam na natin kasi expert na tayo, araw-araw natin ginagawa. Pero no, maraming bagay na you'll be surprised during katatapos ko lang ng class ko ngayon. And then ang dami kong na-realize, ang dami kong natutunan, nakakatuwa kasi it brings back a lot of memories. When I started working, yun yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko na pala, pero hindi ko talaga totally naintindihan yung logic behind what I'm doing. So ngayon, nababalidate siya. So, ganito pala siya, pag detalyado na. So, maraming realization, maraming discoveries again. So, exciting mag-aral. So, if a piece of advice that never lose interest in going back to school or even studying. Ang kaibahan lang na when you study and go back to school, na professional na or nag-work na is that you will love each of the topics. Kasi kaya nga yun ang trabaho mo kasi yun yung gusto mong gawin. Yun yung trabaho na mahal mo. So ngayon, yung mga subjects, yung mga sessions, yung mga topics na pag-uusapan during class is always interesting for you. So it's not going to be a boring, the usual college days, high school days class na kasi hindi na religion, theology, psychology, or accounting, PE, right? So hindi masyado. So medyo maintindihan ko pa na medyo boring siya, wala ka ng interest, kumbaga pumapasok ka na lang para pumasa. But then iba pala yung feeling na kapag professional ka na tapos bumalik ka sa pag-aaral is it gives you yung interest mo is not just to pass but to really the genuine intention of learning and understanding in details or in depth kung ano talaga yung paano gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. At the same time, you will also have the opportunity to meet other professionals, learn from real world scenarios from different from your classmates. So napakasaya at napaka worth it na mag-aral ulit kahit na nagtatrabaho na, kumikita na. Ayun, so education talaga is never ending. Wala sa pinipili na edad. So I have classmates na may edad pa sa akin. I have classmates na CEO na sa big companies, CFO, COO, so mga executives na. So nakakatuwa kasi marami ang natututunan not just sa mga specific topics but also on how real world na kasi iba-iba naman yung kumpanya kasi galing yung mga classmates ko galing sa iba't ibang industry like finance, banking, BPOs, even government sectors. So yun, nakakatuwa lang siya. So again, my piece of advice is that never stop learning. Go back to school if you get the chance, you have the funds. Hindi naman kailangan ngayon classroom setup. Marami ng online ngayon. It's also some, we will earn diplomas, certifications and everything. So never stop learning, go back to school and always be curious about a lot of things. Okay, so that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. This is Coach Jay. See you later.